Welcome to your English adventure. Today you take action and begin your fresh start. This is your journey and you will succeed. I'm here to guide you with a new, effortless way to learn. Hold on to your reason for learning. Maybe it's a better job, travel, or making new friends. English is the key to unlocking your dreams. Every successful English speaker made thousands of mistakes. Speak, even if your sentences aren't perfect. Be brave. Your courage matters more than your grammar. This guide gives you simple, powerful steps. The goal is confidence, not perfection. Are you ready? Let's begin. Your English journey starts now. You can do this. Vocabulary is your foundation. Words are the building blocks of English. Our first mission, collect words but do it smartly. Don't memorize long, useless lists. Focus on the most common words. Your secret weapon. Learn words in phrases, not alone. Words have friends, they live in groups. For example, don't just learn hate, learn I hate traffic. Always learn phrases. Write them in a special notebook, your treasure chest. Use pictures and stories to remember new phrases. Our brains love visuals and stories. Draw a funny picture for it's raining cats and dogs. Imagine it. Connect emotions to your phrases. Feel happy when you say, I'm on top of the world. Make learning a game. Collect 5-10 new phrases every day. Review them every morning and night. Use them out loud. Create mini stories with your new phrases. For example, I was on cloud 9 because the test was a piece of cake. My friend told me to break a leg. This is fun, active learning. You're not a passive student. You're an active, powerful English learner. Focus on phrases, not single words. Practice using them in real situations. The more you use them, the faster you'll remember. Make your vocabulary notebook colorful and personal. Challenge yourself to use new phrases in conversations. Share your favorite phrases with friends. Celebrate every new phrase you master. Your vocabulary mountain grows with every step. Keep climbing, keep collecting. Soon you'll speak with confidence. Your words will open new doors. Now you have words. Time to use them. Speaking is key. Practice daily. Train your mouth. Describe your day in the mirror. The key is practice. You are your best partner. Record your voice. Listen and repeat. Copy native speakers. Use audio clips with transcripts. Train your mouth and ear. Mistakes are your friends. Communication is the goal. Be confident. Stand tall and use your hands. Speak with power. Practice in different situations. The more you speak, the stronger your voice becomes. Your voice is your superpower. Join online speaking groups. Keep speaking. Keep growing. Let it shine. Let your voice lead the way. To speak well, you must first listen. Listening is the mother of speaking. Like a baby, absorb the sounds, rhythm, and patterns of English. Fill your life with English. Listen while driving, cooking, or walking. Don't worry about understanding everything. Just listen. Choose materials you enjoy: movies, songs, podcasts, or TED Talks. Interest keeps your brain open and learning fast. Start with easy materials, children's stories or cartoons. Move to more difficult content as you grow. Listen actively, not just in the background. Take a short audio clip. Listen for the main idea, then use a transcript. Read along, look up new words, and connect sounds to words. Repeat the same audio many times. Deep learning beats shallow listening. By the end of the week, you'll understand every word and feel the rhythm. Go deep, not wide. Be a listening detective. Notice sounds, intonation, and pauses. Every detail helps you unlock spoken English. Make listening a daily habit. Challenge yourself with new topics. Imitate native speakers' pronunciation and emotion. Use subtitles to help, then try without them. Celebrate your listening progress. The more you listen, the better you'll speak. Listening unlocks the code of English. Dive in and enjoy the sounds. Reading is a fantastic way to build vocabulary and see grammar in action. Read what you enjoy: romance, science fiction, sports, anything. Forget difficult textbooks. Read for pleasure and get lost in stories. Start with easy books, children's books or graded readers. Don't try to read Shakespeare or news articles right away. The feeling of finishing a book in English is amazing and builds confidence. Don't worry about every word. Guess meanings from context. Only look up words if they're important and appear often. Keep reading, keep turning pages, and enjoy the flow. Read every day, even for 10 minutes. Make it a habit. Before bed, on the bus, during lunch. Carry a book everywhere. The more you read, the more words and sentences you'll absorb. Your brain will learn grammar and structure naturally. You'll start to think in English. Reading opens new worlds and feeds your mind. It's a peaceful, powerful way to learn. Celebrate every book you finish. Share stories with friends. Try different genres to expand your vocabulary. Reading makes learning fun and effortless. Let stories inspire your English journey. Enjoy every page. Consistency is the real secret to success, more important than talent or motivation. Build a daily English habit. Start small, just 10 minutes a day. Everyone has 10 minutes. Use it wisely. Each day, pick one small activity. Review phrases, shadow, self-talk, read, or listen to a song. This 10-minute habit is your promise to yourself. On good days, do more. On busy days, do your 10 minutes. Small, daily actions are more powerful than one big study session. Daily habits keep English fresh in your mind. Track your progress. Mark an X on your calendar for each day you practice. Watching your chain of X's grow is motivating. Don't break the chain. Consistency builds confidence. After a month, you'll see real progress. Small steps add up to giant leaps. You're building a powerful habit for fluency. Celebrate your consistency. Adjust your routine if needed, but never stop. Make English a natural part of your day. Share your progress with others. Reward yourself for sticking to your habit. Remember, every minute counts. Keep moving forward, one step at a time. Your daily effort creates lasting results. Learning a language can feel lonely, but English is about connection. Find your community, a tribe of fellow learners. Being part of a group gives you support and motivation. You're not alone. Others share your struggles and goals. Share your successes and frustrations. Help others and learn more deeply. Join online forums or social media groups for English learners. Introduce yourself, ask questions, and offer help. Find a language exchange partner. Practice English and help them with your language. Try local conversation clubs at libraries or community centers. Meeting face-to-face is a great way to practice in a safe environment. Everyone is there to learn. No judgment, just support. Make new friends and hold each other accountable. Social motivation is powerful. Your tribe will inspire you. Learn from those ahead of you and help those just starting. A community is full of positive energy and encouragement. Celebrate each other's progress. Don't be a lonely learner. Find your people. Your English tribe is waiting for you. Share your journey and grow together. Practice speaking in group settings. Exchange tips and resources. Support each other through challenges. Enjoy the journey with your community. Connection makes learning fun and lasting. Or sometimes you'll feel stuck on your English journey. This is normal. It's called a plateau. At first, progress is fast. Later, it slows down and feels invisible. Don't quit. The plateau is part of learning. Recognize it. Your brain is organizing and strengthening what you've learned. When you feel stuck, change your routine. Try new podcasts, books, or topics. Challenge yourself with something different. Push a little outside your comfort zone. Give a short presentation, watch a movie without subtitles, or focus on a tricky sound. Targeted practice helps you break through. Remember how far you've come. Review old notebooks or recordings. Celebrate your progress, even if it feels small. The plateau isn't a wall, it's a flat part before the next climb. Be patient and stay consistent with your daily habit. Trust the process. Progress will return. Keep climbing, step by step. Every effort counts. Reflect on your achievements. Set new mini goals to stay motivated. Share your struggles with your community. Learn from others who've overcome plateaus. Stay positive and persistent. Your breakthrough is coming. Keep going. You're closer than you think. This is the end of the guide, but the start of your success story. Remember the steps. Learn phrases, speak without fear, listen deeply, read for fun, build daily habits, and find your tribe. You have the map, tools, and strategy. Now, walk the path. You are in control of your journey. These methods require your energy and commitment, but they make learning enjoyable and natural. Be an active, confident English speaker. Never give up on your dream. On tough days, remember your reason for learning. Think about the new life you're creating and the doors opening for you. Every phrase, conversation, and book is a step forward. Be proud of every step. You are an English speaker. Own this identity now. Every day you speak or listen, you're living your dream. Let this identity give you power and confidence. Go out and use your English. Speak, listen, read, connect, and enjoy your adventure. The world is waiting for your voice. Celebrate your progress. Keep moving forward. I believe in you.